James Bonnity's here, and in this video, I did a hit piece on somebody, and I went back and I edited it so you didn't know who it was that I did a hit piece on. But if you're in the SMMA world or any business trying to start a business, I'm giving you massive advice in this video. I removed the name. I tried to hide who it was from, so I ended up writing it out, and I ended up like transcripting it and then doing a voiceover on it. I don't want you to know who it was that I'm calling out on this, because ultimately it's not me that should be doing this. However, the context of the message this person is giving to the world is wrong, and I'm going to show it to you in this video. So stay tuned, watch the video to the end. It's a short one. Happy holidays this week if you're in the US, and yeah, let's get to it. If you're starting a marketing agency, an SMMA business, then you need to watch this video. I'm going to save you from the struggles and the heartache that this business can give you if you're listening to the wrong people. And this video isn't going to be some sort of structured way of doing this. I'm going to literally just tell you the truth. And I'm going to do what I said I would never do, which is calling out in a respectful manner some of these SaaS gurus. Now, the reason why is because I've gotten email after email after email about people telling me that they've joined GoHighLevel under some sort of an affiliate, and whatever they're telling them to do isn't working. And so here is where I'm going to call out a specific person, which by the way happens because all he's doing is using TikTok, running a promo ad, sending people to his YouTube channel, and then telling them that they get a free course. And I get it. It's actually a really good way to do it. I do the same thing. However, the problem is this, and I'm going to play the video right now. In this video, this is what he says. I want to finally put an end to the high ticket course world, take the industry and demolish it. He compares himself to Andrew Tate and creating a community of like-minded business owners that it's going to have thousands and thousands of videos in it because he's sick and tired of the high-ticket industry. He wants to flip it upside down and change the way things are done, because in order to build a business, you need thousands and thousands of videos. Well, my friends out there, I hope to God you're smarter than that. And I have much more to share in just a few minutes, but let me explain something to you. Everything this person is doing is the same thing that you see over the internet. So let's talk more. Your 25-year-old self knows nothing about anything. You literally signed up for GoHighLevel. You barely ran a business through it. You didn't even build an SMMA business, and you're gonna sit here and you're gonna say that you know what the hell you're talking about. You know nothing about what you're talking about. And I'm gonna be straight up, and I don't know if this person is gonna watch it. I don't really care if he watches it. This is for my audience. If you continue to listen to, what's the best word I could say? Little children on the internet who know nothing about business, nothing about life, running a business, no kids, no family, no bills, living at home with their parents, then you deserve exactly what you get. And I get angry at this because I see it over and over and over again that people sell the dream and they bring nothing to the table. You think you're gonna go and sign up under this person's free resource section, and then you're going to go and become wildly successful and make a lot of money selling GoHighLevel to local businesses, which they don't care about, will never care about, never did care about, for $97 a month, $197 a month, and you think that you're gonna go and then do what? Go and land 500 other businesses when the skills and energy and time and persistency that it takes to land one client, you're gonna go and land hundreds of clients? You're wrong. And I've done multiple videos about this because I can't help but read the emails from people like you guys that are watching this saying like, I fell down that rabbit hole and it never made sense to me. But yet this person is making hundreds of thousands of dollars a month by selling you a dream. Don't listen to what he is saying. Don't listen to the fact that this person thinks that you can get rid of high ticket mentorship, really good courses where there's support and live Q&As every single week, campaign reviews, and teaching you truly how to build this business. If you think that what this person is saying, where his ultimate goal is to get rid of that, no, his ultimate goal is to get tens of thousands of people to be under him in GoHighLevel and then pay him and do all these things. That is the goal. Now, more power to him. My respect is there. He found a niche, he capitalized it, and he worked his butt off. I will respect the work. I will not respect the delivery. I'll respect his work, but I will not. Now, I don't know if somebody's going to come back and say something about me. This is unfortunately the rules of the game. It's the inconvenient truth that when you start to build a YouTube channel, you have the obligation to your audience to tell them the truth. Some people choose to do it and some people don't. I'm gonna read you something from Sean Whalen, who I respect very much. He's kind of like a man's man. He's a man, right? Not a child, not a man child. He's married, has been through divorces, lived his life, built businesses, lost it all, built it again. Do you think that you're gonna learn more from somebody like this or somebody like me, where I've been doing this for years and years and years, or a 25-year-old kid living in the basement of his mother and doesn't even know what to do with his money? This is what he posted a few days ago. People that pay don't play. Right now, every human that has a smartphone has access to Google. How to make millions, how to get out of debt. You can Google these things. Yet very few people are healthy or wealthy. It's because they don't pay. And if you don't pay, you don't care. If you paid a trainer to show up to work out, but you have the same workouts for free, you don't do them. That is why you see me and my people always winning, including myself, because we pay, we invest. So here's a little secret. When you start paying for growth and paying to change your life, paying for coaching, courses, and skills, your life will start changing. And before you say, I don't have money or I can't pay, think about all the dumb shit, cocktails, beers, concert clothes, stupid shit you spent over the last 90 days. You can pay, you just choose not to. You choose to stay where you are because you are too cheap on yourself when it comes to the stuff that goes on between your ears, and you think a 25-year-old child is going to show you the way. They're going to change the education in this business. You're wrong. You're so wrong, and it makes me nauseous, and it makes me want to vomit on myself. Because a 25-year-old, a 27-year-old hasn't lived a life to give advice to people like you who want to start a business. They haven't. They haven't earned their stripes. They got lucky. They put a free course together, ran a TikTok ad, paid for it, sent people to a YouTube channel, and voila, hundreds and hundreds of children, whether it's physically or mentally, are following like the sheep. Think about what you're doing and take this seriously. Think about it.